Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Harleen, and today I'll be talking about energies and colors. So, when we think about color, what we feel, how we feel cheerful, we feel colorful. Few colors start coming up in front of our eyes, and we sometimes go in a world of dreams and colors and aura. So, what not? So colors are very very interesting, and there's a therapy, color therapy, which is very interesting. How colors help us, how eating few colorful things, how drinking that colored water, how colors around heal us, help us. This is really magical. So first I'll be talking about energies. What is energy? What is power? In your dream world, in your dictionary, what is energy? In my dictionary, in my words, energy, everything we deal, everything we deal with, that is energy. The water we drink, the food we eat, it is to gain energy. So everything around us is energy. It's powerful. Sun rays, moon, how the like day and night, how weather changes, everything is energy based. So energy is really magical, that is divine energy. So everything, every negativity, the mother earth, it soaks the negative energy and it transforms it revolves again, it transforms into a positive energy, and then we receive that positive energy from the universe. So it is a really magical thing, which is we say it nature, we say it um, like the god had made this system around us. The plants, they are growing just with a seed, everything is there, everything is happening, that is because of energy. So we need energy for living, for everything. So we need that positive energy. So energy is negative also, energy is positive also, because day is also there, night is also there, good, bad. So opposite is always there. So we need positive energy, because energy means energy. But can we drink dirty water? Can we eat contaminated food? So we need energy, but we need positive energy. So we can detect positive and negative energies with so many detectors like scanners, L-rods, dowsers, some geopathic scanners. We can scan the energy through our intuition, through talking to anyone, seeing a person. We can detect the energy, that it is positive or negative. So but every time when we talk about energy, when we talk about spirituality, we talk about positive energies, that we want good, healthy, positive energies. So we want positive people also around us. So how to detect the energy, how to uh, take a gap from that negative person, from that negative energy. So there are so many things, so many therapies around. So we can use colors, we can use color therapy, we can use reiki healing, we can use different modalities. But the main thing is your brain powers, your law of attraction. So how you think, how you feel, you attract the same person. If you talk about negative person all the time, you will attract negative people around you. If you talk about good people, if you talk about good energies, healthy system, then you'll attract good people. So that is the law made by god, that is law of attraction, that's the law of universe. So we need to be pure, we need to be very very clean, we need to be very very like detoxification is needed internally, so that we think about good things and we attract good things. That is very important. In spirituality, it's not needed that you meditate for hours. The main essence is how you meditate, how you keep yourself positive, how you keep yourself healthy from inside. So the health is not physical, it's the inner health, it's your spiritual health. So that is important. So the spiritual health will be healthy if your chakras are okay, if your aura is good, and if you're healthy inside, you'll be healthy outside. So we can maintain our energies, we can manage our energies through eating some colors, through wearing some colors. You can lay your bed sheet of that color, you can lay like have your curtains, you can wear that thing, you can drink that colored water, you can drink that crystal water. So many modalities are there. So color therapy is really magical. You need to use that color. If your heart chakra is blocked, you can use green color, you can eat green food, you can eat green fruits, and you can use green. And if your solar plexus, your stomach chakra is blocked, you can use yellow color. So the deficiency in your aura, the color is missing in your aura, you need to have that color. So don't think that we need to wear white. If you are in spiritual world, if you are meditating, you can use any color. We need all these 7 colors, we need a webgure of colors. So always wearing white will also not help you. So you need to wear, you need to use all the colors to help our system. Like color therapy is needed, but if you are using all the colors, then color therapy is automatically going on. So otherwise we need to have green color. If you're not wearing green any day, so you need to wear green intentionally. That's why I say my clients and my patients that wear all the colors, eat all colored fruits, vegetables, and use all colors in your room with, like, because the paint is same, but you can use different colored curtains, you can change your curtains, you can lay your bed sheets, you can wear those cloths, you can wear any accessories, anything, but you need to use all the colors. So in color therapy, we heal patients with different colors, with different rays. I have few detectors, I have few light objects in which those particular light is transforming, light is going there in your auric body, in your aura. So we use lights, we use different lights in the room, we use colors, we use sketch pens to mark few points in your hands. So it's like acupressure, it's like using colors. So many therapies are there, but color therapy is really magical, because can you imagine the world in black and white? How would we? Because black and white is so dull, it's so boring. If you see everything is black and white, no excitement. So if you see everything is colored, like mountain colors, like river, like trees, like sand, like soil, wet soil, so many colors are there around. So colorful world is very beautiful. That means we need all the colors to have that energy, to have that good aura. So world is beautiful with colors. That means color therapy is needed. Even God has given us those colors. So color therapy is very important. So the tip for the day is use all the colors. So we need vibgyor. So don't think if we are meditating, if we are in spiritual science, we need to be simple, we need to wear white. No. I'll give you an example. If you are going to meet your parents on a special day, on a festival, so if you are wearing white, very dull clothes and tying your hairs and looking very dull, will they like that? Will they be happy seeing you like this? So why will God be happy? Because they are also our parents. If you are wearing white, very simple looking, tying your hair and going to a temple, will God like that? Like the God have created you like this, so he'll be not happy, he'll be sad. So whenever you are going to a temple, dress up nicely, dress up colorful, wear everything you want. You can look like you are going for a happy place. So never look dull, because white is not a, it's not just a symbol of spirituality. You can use any color. So it's your wish. The one day, like if you're going to a temple, you can wear light colors, but it doesn't mean spirituality and sadness and solitude. It's not related. In spirituality, you don't need to be in solitude. In spirituality, you don't need to be looking sad. You can be happy, you can be pleasant, you can feel yourself pleasant, and you can, when you look at yourself in mirror, you can be happy. You can see, yeah, wow, how beautiful am I. And whenever you are going to a temple, that God will feel and be happy, that yes, and you can say to God that, wow, you've kept me so well. So spirituality and sadness, and spirituality and dull color, spirituality and simplicity, it's not related. Like, it's my thinking. Otherwise, use all the colors in your day to day life. So energy is with colors. Energy is coming with different color. Like yellow sun, it's energy, it's power. Okay, so every color has different meaning, every color has different energy. Like green is for healing. Whenever we use green, we want healing, we can use green color. Whenever we want a relationship, good relationship, so we can use pink color, like rose quartz crystal. So there are different colors for different therapies, for different problems, for different remedies. Like color therapy is very beautiful, it's really magical. So start using all the colors, and take the energy of colors around you.